So, good afternoon to everyone. Hope you all are doing great. So, I have decided to launch another separate videos on intraday stocks so that all the beginners as well as people who are interested in intraday trading can have a watch on all the stocks. So, I'll provide three stocks with all the supports as well as resistances. That is, the targets also will be given so that you can have a watch on it. And people who are new to intraday trading, then they need to do paper trading first. Take a small sheet of paper, write down all the stocks, focus on the levels, and then when you are getting successful returns on consecutive 10 to 15 sessions, then only put investment in your original trading account, so that you will have a confidence. When you're having confidence on any trading, when you're getting profits, then only you can continue that streak. Okay, so when I initially started trading, I started with initially small amount. I put a target that in within one day I should get almost 500 rupees. So later when that success was continuing, then I started increasing that 500 to 1000, and later 1500, then 2000, 2500, so on. I kept increasing. Okay, so that type of mentality you need to develop. Simple thing, not complicated anything. Should not put complicated indicators, MACD. Don't put all those things, just to follow the trend. So when market is moving upside, then do select the stocks which have good buying momentum, and when the market is falling, then select the stocks which are having a downfall. So for that you need to follow the price action movement. So follow that, wait patiently till 9:45 and then enter. Don't enter immediately after 9:15. Okay, so that beginners are not at all allowed. You need to wait patiently and then only watch all the levels and enter. So because during the morning session, okay, all the big players will enter and they start moving with heavy volume, so your stop losses may start hitting and you may incur losses. So that's why focus on the levels and enter at 9:45, or later also you can enter. Okay, so we'll discuss all the levels and then we'll focus on, okay, the supports, and then charts also I will show you all the levels. Okay. So, okay, yesterday when I put in Telegram about the poll that apart from normal stock analysis, what all you want, so most of the people opted for intraday stocks as well as penny stocks. So both of these as well as positional stocks I'll also discuss. We are here to share the knowledge so that each and every individual should be benefited. Okay, we are not here for any sort of business. So what I have learned, I'm sharing with you. Okay, so that should be useful for you, and next you should help others so that they can also start earning from stock market, because most of the people in stock market, they start thinking that it's totally gambling, so that's why they start avoiding that. So that sort of mentality also should be eliminated from people mind. Okay, and people who are new to the channel and they're also interested in intraday, in penny stock, positional stocks, as well as normal stock analysis, they can definitely subscribe the channel for all the updates and news also. Okay, so let's get started with the three stocks which we are going to discuss today. Okay, the first stock that we are going to discuss today is Tech Mahindra. So on Friday also it has given a very good move, and also a good buying momentum is seen in this particular stock. So what we need to do on this stock? So first we need to watch out for the level. If it moves above 655, then definitely we can have a buy position, and immediate targets will be around 670, 675, 680, and stop loss should be 645. Okay, and you need to sell this particular stock below 642, and target should be 632 and below. And one more important thing is that never ever have excess greed. So when you put a target of 500 rupees per day, then you should achieve that, and you need to close that and watch another things. Okay, you should forget about that. Okay, my job for today is done, so what next? And rest of the duties, if you are having any work, you need to complete that work. Again, you should not open your mobile or laptop and again start doing trading. So in that you will have excess greed, and again you will make a loss. Okay, so that thing also you should keep in mind. So first I'll discuss all the three stocks and then we'll see on technical charts. Okay, we'll see now the second stock. So note down this all levels. Okay, now we'll see the second stock. Okay, the second stock is the Jubilant Life Sciences. You need to buy this particular stock when it goes above 755 and immediate targets will be around 760 plus, and you need to sell the particular stock when it falls below 748 and immediate targets will be 740 and below. Okay, so first wait for the first 15 minutes, and people who are new, wait for the first half an hour also, you can wait, then watch the price action. Put the VWAP indicator, only that indicator and money flow indicator is enough. Okay, don't put excess indicators and confuse yourself. Okay, that should not be done. You should, trading is easy only, but you need to have a good approach to achieve that. Okay, just follow the trend. Okay, whenever market is falling, watch for stocks which are falling down, and when market is moving, watch for stocks which are having momentum. So keep the candlestick pattern, VWAP, money flow index, and pivot points is also necessary. Put these three things and you will easily make 500 if your initial target is this much. Okay, and also I'll put live trading sessions once subscribers start increasing. So if you want that also, you can mention in the comment section. Okay, we'll see the next stock now. Okay, next stock is the Bata India. You need to buy this particular share about 292 and immediate targets will be around 1298, 1300 as well as 1305 plus. And you need to sell this particular stock when it falls below 1285 and target will be 1275 plus. Okay, so watch out for these things. Now we'll see all this stock on technical charts. Okay, now our first stock which we discussed was Tech Mahindra. You can see current price is how much? 652.60, and it was almost 3.19% positive on Friday. So you can see this is 1 hour chart. So you can see it has, when it has gone above this VWAP, you can see how much movement it was given. Okay, so focus on this VWAP. If you don't know about VWAP, then definitely I will make a video on volume weighted average price, that is also known as VWAP. So it is very good indicator to know about the price action. Okay, so it has given a good move and it is trading above the 20 EMA as well as the 50 EMA as well, and even the money flow index is showing that some more momentum is possible. So focus on the levels. Okay, both on buying side as well as selling side. So we don't know, anything may happen, just we need to focus on the levels. Okay, also you can see on 4 hours chart also it has given a movement above the VWAP. Okay, and good momentum is also being shown. So focus on the levels which I have provided on the beginning. Okay, next we'll see about Jubilant Life Sciences. Okay, when you see Jubilant Life Sciences 1 hour chart, you can see a red candle, a doji was formed. So doji is, what is the meaning of doji? Both buying as well as selling is equal and there is no particular clarity. So next initial confirmation for doji will be a red candle initiation. So whenever doji is formed and red candle is formed, means a possible downtrend will be possible. So you need to sell, or you need to focus on which level? You need to focus on a 748 level of Jubilant Life Sciences. I've given the levels, yes or no? When it goes above 755 only, you need to take buy position. If it falls below 748, then you need to watch for selling positions, and immediately it may move, it may go down and take support near 740 as well. So a very good amount of 10 rupees profit we will be earning. Okay, take a little decent amount, almost take if you take almost, if you say 30 shares also, you will easily make 300 rupees out of it. Okay, easily you can put 30 quantity. Okay, and even money flow index is showing that some amount of downfall may happen. Okay, watch these levels on Jubilant Life Sciences. Okay, in 4 weeks chart also, on Jubilant Life 4 hours chart also, you can see how the resistance is shown. So when wicks are forming, means there particular resistance is there. So price rejection is happening. So some amount of correction may happen. Okay, that is what it implies. But 100% we cannot confirm that it will fall down. It completely depends on market as well. Okay, so focus on the 748 level. Okay. Okay, our next stock is the Bata India. Okay, so Bata India, we know that continuously it was in correction mode. You can see almost minus 1.50% negative. It was on Friday. So you can see current market price around 1289. So next you need to focus on these particular levels at 1287. So once at 1287 it falls below that, you can see immediate price action. See this price action, excellent price action. See, it corrected, it again went up, and again it started correcting. If this is respected tomorrow, then definitely you can see a very big move in this particular stock. You can see almost 1310 and 1315 will be easily achieved. Okay, this is on 1 hour time frame, so watch the price action before you enter. Okay, enter in small quantities, but I've given the level that enter about 1295, so that beginners will have a small amount of profit and they'll get satisfied. Okay, if experienced traders are there, then definitely they can catch this bottom also, 1280 bottom also they can catch, and they can earn a good amount of profit. Okay, next if we see on 4 weeks chart or 4 hour time frame chart, we can see that this pivot is respected. So 1287 is respected and it has closed above it. So tomorrow, sorry, that is Monday, if it gives breakout about 1292, then definitely you can invest in small quantities. So beginners always focus on the levels, okay, and invest in small quantity and watch the market. Rest of all, you want to watch it and have a paper trade as well. Okay, paper trade is minimum. Starting paper trade is very essential. If you're doing options, even personally I do options as well as I do on equity as well. So both of them I personally do them. Okay, so options also, if you're interested, also we'll discuss later. So first thing is about these things. Basic things are required. So first you need to clarify doubts on these things, and then only you need to go a step higher. Okay, and money flow index in 4 hour time frame is also showing some momentum is possible for this stock. So Bata India will have a good momentum, so probably it will be on buying side. Okay, focus that as well. So these are the 3 basic stocks for intraday. Okay, in next videos we'll discuss about penny stocks, that was also recommended in the Telegram. So we'll continue everything, normal stock analysis, intraday stocks, penny stocks, everything will be covered free of cost. Just here we are for knowledge sharing, okay, not for any sort of business. Okay, so until then, if you're new to the channel, can definitely subscribe the channel. Until then, take care, bye bye.